Hey, let's hit the slope. Yeah, I'm getting good. Oh! No, I got scammed by the ski school. Goodbye. Oh no! Up the wall. What is that? I didn't see anything either.
That is 100% the better side.
How do you feel about that run?
Oh, that one was awesome.
Yeah, it's been great so far. We just hit the right side of the mountain and there's still plenty more to explore. I did that whole run handheld. It was a little sketchy because I haven't hit that before, so I was a little worried about what was going to happen, but I think I got some good shots of David. Oh, rip Adam. I'm going to do some more helmet mounts. I forgot I can talk to the vlog right now because this GoPro has good audio. Well, relatively good. Here's David. This looks wild. Oh no! You okay?
I'm watching my Hanoi street train.
And you're playing at full volume.
Outside on the porch.
Okay. Okay, we're out here. We just finished our first session. We came back to tune up my binding. It got a little loose throughout those sick carves. It's looking pretty nice out here today. It's not super cold. It's also extremely bright, but it's a nice day. I know David's having a great time. Logan is playing street trains at full volume.
I'm watching a video of a train driving through Vietnam.
Full volume. Full volume. And Adam is inside coughing because he has AIDS. I think we're gonna get back out there now. We're all done getting ready again, and we're gonna head to maybe the Black Diamonds now, or some more. Wherever we end up, I'm taking the GoPro. I'm gonna bring the pole. Gonna get some clips. Here we go. I'll see you on the slope. Okay, we're good. I was trying to see where David went, and I ended up on a chairlift by myself because I missed the group that I was supposed to go with. Logan's up there. But I'm just chilling back here by myself. Still don't know where David went. He was with us. We were in the wrong line. We switched lines and he disappeared. So I'm not sure if he just hopped in or what. We're gonna go try to hit that 1.5 mile slope now. I'm pretty excited. We just went down the mountain. We had to go find a store that wasn't $1 million for everything, but we got Subway also. Some of us did. David's eating pizza that he got last night. Most expensive pizza in the world, probably.
Probably.
$28 for 16-inch pizza.
But we're good now. We bought some food so we don't have to eat around here anymore. Got a lot of chips. Got some yogurt. So after we finish lunch, we're going down to the Western Territory, which is basically just the other face of the mountain. And it's supposed to have an extremely long run. Way longer than anything we've ever done before, at least.
Mile.
Mile and a half.
Mile and a half, so my sources tell me.
I got a chip.
Alright, I think we're gonna suit up now. Get back to the slopes.
GoPro's not recording.
I am terrified. Alright, so I don't know what that was actually called, but it was part of the Western Territory. That was pretty insane. I thought I was gonna die the entire time. And that was only like one part. There's a second part that we didn't hit. It feeds into the part that we did hit, so it shouldn't be too much different in the second half.
Lying.
I'm gonna overlay the GPS data so I can see how fast we were going, and I'll show the track of the whole run. So now we're gonna hit the up. I don't even know what that's called. We're gonna hit the second part of that.
Revenge, I think.
Something we didn't hit before, and basically gonna do the whole thing again, and I'm probably gonna die there's probably only a 50% chance of survival on this, and that was my survival. And I'm now past that.
Ooh, Black Diamond skier lost.
I'm looking real good right now. The sun has set. We are going night skiing at the Silver Creek area. I don't know how well the GoPro is gonna perform in low light. I'll try to get some clips there too. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Everybody's suiting up. I'll see you when we get back to the slope yet again for the 3rd time today. And it's only day 1. This is pretty rad. See you at the slope. Logan fell and dislocated his shoulder.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he's going.
So long?
Yeah, he was walking back up to the bus. He's gonna go back to the house and see what the. Epic shredding skills. Oh. This is a lot of food. And I'm very excited to eat that. So this is pink lemonade. It's the weirdest drink I've ever had in my entire life, and it costs $2. It actually tastes like, you ever had those like icicle pop thingies that are pink and they come in like the plastic tube? Well, it tastes like somebody just took like 100 of those, cut the tops off, and poured it into a gallon jug.
Hey guys, back with another episode of vlog. I just want to point out that Mark is the most hardworking individual that you can ever have. Look at this man.
You shouldn't have. You really shouldn't have, man.
Look, he's doing the dishes.
You're too kind.
Mark, you call this clean?
This is Mark.
Where is the dirt?
Noodle!
Where?
Noodle!
Where?
Noodle!
Just sitting there. Just poke it out of the way.
What?
This pink lemonade right here is the best pink lemonade you can come across.
It's a dirty lie.
Bottoms up, brothers.
What did you do the second time when I handed it back to you? Nothing? Why is there noodle on the ground?
This has been Adam Mooney ASMR. Thank you for tuning in. I am the content king.